There you go, Mike. So we got our 112 on one of the little LiPos, 1500 mAh. I'm not sure how good it is. Just kind of wanted to see how fast it is. See, its max is 3 right now, so it's obviously not fast. I am one-handing this, so hopefully I don't lose it. And the steering ain't exactly perfect. Alright, so we're at 18 miles an hour. That's not bad. Oh, did I have that turned down? No. This is low tooth spur, so it ain't. Oh, she bounces good. Doesn't die too much in the grass. Again, this is a half dead LiPo, so I'll give it another shot later. I was just curious with this small pinion. Running good though. You ready to bump it up a little? Again, I'm one-handing it. I can deal with it. I can deal with it. Not a bad little rig. Try a 3S maybe, but I'm scared to burn another ESC up. So again, like I said, this is a smaller pinion. It's I think it's 16. Yeah, it's 16 tooth. Not bad. LC slipper clutch. Not bad at all.